Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4. Let's play. It's a little bit glitchy. Oh, I'm in. Oh, I'm pressing. Oh wait, I didn't even get a chance. Oh, not. Wait, why am I on the red side when I'm on blue team? Looks like it's not enough. Yeah, we do, yeah. Yes. Just put that there. Okay. Then we'll go to get in there. Go. Yes. Are you serious? I just fell off. Oh, to the other side. Oh, I need to go. Run over. Oh, it's Peppa Pig's car. Oh, Peppa Pig's car. Are you serious? What? Okay, I'm back. Brown poopy car just ran me over. Always look, never look. Okay. Let's go. Oh, are you serious? I didn't even get across one thing. Wait, what's this? What weapons is that? Oh. This one's good. Come here. Come here. Attack! I'm the ultimate champion. Fight! Yes! Whoa. These are my fast potions, so bye guys. Oh yeah, big head. Big pink head, by the way. Okay. Torch. Oh yeah. I have everything in the game. I have this. Oh no, that's not a good idea. I'm on fire! Help! Oh, I took a bit of a help. Money, I'm rich. I'm so rich. I'm actually rich. Okay, go. Jumped over one. Jumped over the other. I'm be walking while I'm doing it now. Okay, I'm doing good. Oh, I'm doing amazing. I'm good at this. I think I'm gonna die. Wait, no, I didn't die. I just took damage. Just keep jumping. Nah. Never. Let's stop me. Oh. Okay. Press the button. How did I die? Oh my god. Climb off this. I know a way. Don't worry guys. I got you. Climb up super fast. This is where you win. This is called the winning top victory thing, and you dance up here and you can do emotes like, oh yeah, like that. I know what this one is. Oh no! Oh no! No! This is the worst one. Oh my god! 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 Help me! Mama! Mama! Okay. That's just super. Oh no, bro. No! Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Okay, I think I'm safe. Oh! I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Yes. Okay, that was a long nap. Oh! Oh no. It's a big stick. Jump! What? 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 Okay. Go. Bro, what? What happened? Okay, I'm cheating. Oh, I was gonna cheat. I would watch. Ah! Ah! Oh no, I would be screaming too. Oh no! 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 Oh! Oh no! Oh! Yay! Yes! What happened to my head? Nah, bro, nah. I don't like this. I don't like this. No. What happened? I'm a lizard. A dinosaur lizard thing. What is this? Huh? It's a dropper. It's a dropper. Oh! Did I just glitch out? Oh no, I won! Woohoo! I didn't glitch out. I won. That's why you call a winner right here. And what should I do? Subscribe for this one. And like for this one. Okay. Lizards. How are people not dying? I can tell since they're still chameleons or lizards or dinosaurs or whatever. Okay, I got this. I know how good I am. I know how good. I just know how good. Okay, got this. See? Bro, I'm a genius. I'm your genius. I'm your genius. I'm gonna help this guy. I'm helping. I'm helping you, bro. Go this way and then here. Here. Go. Woohoo! Yes. Let's help this guy. Okay. Guys, what is this? Throw apple pie. Throw apple pies on other people's face. Oh no, I really want that. I want to throw apple pies at people's face. That sounds awesome. I really want that. It says it's a prize. Oh yeah, I'm good at balancing. What's this? Oh yeah, I'm good at everything. Oh, now this is the one I'm bad at. Oh, well, I'm actually good at everything, like I said. I'm gonna win. See? Woohoo! Okay, press. This is the second last round. Oh, I'm in jail. Help me. Oh, help me. Bro, pass up. I'll give you this ball if I'll give you this ball if you Are you serious? I just dropped it. And I'm invisible. Oh no, I lost my ball. What's this?